I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
Begin by preparing tools and safety. Use DOT3 or DOT4 brake fluid and keep the reservoir at least 3/4 full during the process. Park the Dodge Ram 3500 on level ground, chock the wheels, and set the parking brake while engine is off. Wear safety goggles, gloves, and have a catch bottle with clear 3/16-inch tubing and a 1/2-inch wrench ready. If the truck has a vacuum assist, leave the engine off and do not allow the master cylinder to run dry. Topping up prevents air re-entry and system damage. Bleed the brake system in the correct order. Follow the sequence: driver rear, passenger front, driver front when bleeding the 4 wheels. Use a pressure bleeder set to 35 psi for a one-person job, or have an assistant perform 10 to 12 firm pump and hold presses for manual bleeding. Attach clear 3/16-inch tubing to the bleeder. Open the bleeder valve 1/4 to 1/2 turn, then close it before the assistant releases the pedal to avoid air re-entry. Watch for clean, bubble-free fluid in the tubing before moving to the next wheel. Complete the procedure with careful checks. After bleeding all wheels, the brake pedal should feel firm and have less than 2 inches of travel under firm pressure. Refill the master cylinder to 3/4 full, securely tighten all bleeder screws, and inspect hoses and fittings for leaks. If any ABS light is on or the pedal stays spongy, perform a cycle bleed on the ABS module or repeat the wheel-by-wheel bleeding. If doubts remain, inspect the master cylinder for internal bypass or replace it. Conduct a low-speed test drive to confirm consistent stopping and no leaks.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.